Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable chat features in your text messaging app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then we're going to tap on the text messaging app. In here, you want to tap on the option key at the top, and then tap on settings. In settings, tap on chat features, and then tap on enable chat features switch to turn on or off. Now, if you do not want to use chat, you can tap on turn off. So here I'm going to choose turn off. And now chat is turned off on your Galaxy S21 series. Otherwise, you can turn it on. By default, it is switched to on. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, or tap on the back key to go back to your text messaging list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.